No.
coming.
Oh, shh. We're gonna die. We're gonna fucking die.
No way. No way.
Are you still rolling down the mountain or what?
Yeah, literally, bro.
Oh my
Holy
god, dude,
shit.
no. Fuck.
Creepa, what the fuck, man?
My car is still alive, thank God.
Dude. Oh, dude, we rolled
Oh
like
no.
20
Oh no,
times.
I'm sorry. Oh no. Oh shit.
I'm gonna die.
Good, that tree was in the way.
How do we survive?
We're
How
gonna
did,
be safe.
how did we survive? How did we survive that shit, dude?
Oh no, my God. Okay. We can do this. There's a road behind us.
Bro. Well, that saved a bunch of time. Well, actually, we rolled the wrong direction. We're way up north now.
Yeah, we're
Oh
back
my
in
god.
Portland or whatever the fuck they want to call that place.
Uh,
Holy shit, dude. Alright, Olga is the number one vehicle. Oh, really?
It's still moving, Rage. Roll down a mountain, it's fine. It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine.
Oh, why?
Tree in the way.
They have a mod in here that's like vehicle's not supposed to take any damage. So depending, I know the water will do or rev it.
Okay.
But I was like, oh man. But that's not entirely true though. You can shoot at it and mess it up too. So I think it's more like crash into something type of
Okay,
damage.
so what happened, guys?
Well,
Oh.
I had a lag spike, and then next thing you know, I'm getting launched off a cliff.
I mean,
That's
like,
not
is the
for
car
sure.
okay? You guys okay?
I almost had a heart attack.
Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good.
Is the car okay? Can you still drive?
Yeah,
I found
it's
it.
fine.
Oh, I found a
Surprisingly.
railroad track.
Like,
Yeah, this might work.
what the?
Yeah, this takes us to a road.
Yeah, this is the direction we need to go. Once you see the road, take a left.
So Creepa just took the dangerous route where you needed to go.
Oh man.
Look
Oh,
how
so
tall
I-
that mountain is, bro. Look how far up there is.
We rolled down that.
You're so far down. Oh my god. Okay, that was epic. I think we need to go this way.
Yeah, you're right. Damn.
I don't know, I feel like I can breathe a little bit easier. Oh my god, where are we at?
You said I'm a bad driver.